This is Robert over at Capital Retail. We're going to go over the most important parts of how to put together a rent relief agreement between the landlord and the tenant. COVID rent agreements answer how much rent is paid during COVID, is any rent forgiven, and how and when is that rent paid back. All that should be in writing and in the agreement. With that objective in mind, we need to go over the key terms. That's rent relief period, abatement, and deferment. The COVID rent agreement needs to define the relief start and end dates. Using an example here, it starts July 1st, 2020 and ends March 31st, 2021. They can all vary. It's negotiated between the landlord and the tenant. There's a lot of variations on the formula used to determine the rent owed during the relief period. In this example, it's going to be triple nets plus 10% of gross sales. So the rent deferred is the total difference between what the lease states and the reduced rent during the relief period. So abated rent is forgiven and does not need to be repaid. So abatement is rent that is forgiven. Deferred rent is rent that is simply paid back over a period of time. Capital Retail Group is connected, we're interactive, and we're always on the web, capitalretail.com.